none can compare. Its golden sunbeams are woven in your hair. The salt of the bay dries on your skin, and here our life begins. Napili breezes everywhere. Bursts of Hinano perfume the air. The tingling Nahua caresses your nape, softly rousing you awake. I call you, you answer, still wet from the sea. The days of Napili Aloha bring you close, ever close to me. Napili rainbows watercolor the sky. Shimmering arcs of mist enthrall the eye. The scarlet ko'iula glides over the plain, wooing the kokoula rain. Napili moonlight cradles your face, illuminates the road in its embrace. The murmuring water kissed the crescent shore, now and forevermore. I call you, you answer from far beyond the sea. Those days of Napili Aloha bring you back, ever close to me. E Napili, mahalo to you. Here our life began and begins anew. Though memories grow old, the years they pass, Napili holds us fast. Pili ho'ilo, pili kau, no Napili ke aloha mau.